Obama, 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 Obama,
APT.
Obama, 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 Obama,
Call him president, he's the next new president. Yeah, senator from Illinois. Yeah, his criteria compared to John McCain isn't fair, cause he's BLAC, so the eyes are on E. Through his pencil he write legislation with the country on his mind, and he don't code-ish, cause he ain't got time every second, minute, hour. KKK wanna devour, he got guards ready to pop him with their choppers. Every brother, mother, sister, cousin, grandma wanna hump him. Even got Hillary Clinton on the side ready to jump him. Till the Clintons couldn't catch him, couldn't stop him. They go by the party rules. If you can't beat him, you can't top him. Thought you'd smack him, couldn't pop him. Delegates couldn't cop him. Bill Clinton couldn't help her, too bad she couldn't drop him.